Alright, good morning. So it's 6 in the morning. It's our fourth day today, and from today I have decided to shoot from the back camera. So let's see. Hopefully, the video quality would be better than my selfie camera. As I discussed in the previous vlog, we will be doing lower body workouts for time being because until my wrist, the ligaments of my wrist completely repair, it would take around 1.5, 2 or 3 months. The doctor said it would roughly take around 2 months, but don't do the upper body workout for like 3 months. So, I told you in the previous vlog, we're going to train for our lower body first, and this would help us to stay continue to our series, and that will also it's lean body. Whatever I said yesterday would help to keep our body lean and to reduce the fats. So let's go. Today the weather is really very cold, and you can see there is hardly anyone here. So it's literally very cold. Do support this channel, guys, because this transformation series is gonna help a lot of people, including myself, who really want to transform but don't have the right path how to do it. So we'll be following some good tips and tricks and making out which is the right one and which is wrong. Let's do it. Here comes our garden. This dinosaur garden is a real blessing for everyone who wants to do kind of open gym or something. They can land here. So often helps. Lighting condition must be good. Yes. See you in the garden. So plans for today are we're gonna do some basic workout, like let's try some squats today. So today we'll be starting by some jumping jacks, then 2 rounds of running, then I would try squats. So let's do it. Okay, so it's been the third time now. Hopefully this thing gets recorded because previously 2 videos didn't got recorded. I was saying that the running is the best exercise to do. Firstly, we have completed our first exercise, jumping jacks. Now we're going to do running, and running would help to reduce the belly fat and overall fat. So I guess someone who wants to gain muscles, these guys should not prefer cardio that much. But if you want to lose your weight, lose the fats, then cardio is the healthiest option you can opt for, because it makes your body to work more, give you more energy and break down more carbs, and helps to digest easy. And what to eat and what not to eat, that would be followed in our diet series soon, so stay tuned. Okay, so we have completed 2.5 rounds, so it would be 1500 plus 750. Can't do maths at all. I'm sorry, 2250 meters, I guess. So that's good enough. Okay, so now we are done with our exercise. We're gonna do planks, but my plans changed, so I decided to do the bench exercise. I did 15 reps, 2 sets, as you have seen in the first vlog, that same exercise. So it's quite helpful, and I don't have any more energy to spend it on squats. But and also our time limit has ended. It's 7 already. It's still dark as far as the time is considered, because today it is very cold. So yeah, done for today, I guess. So see you in the next vlog. Okay, so as far as diet is concerned, we are gonna take, for time being, we're gonna take milk as a protein source, and I'm going to start eating oats. In one of the article I saw that oats are some complex fat or complex carbs, I guess. So at complex carbs, they take more energy to consume that, and it also helps you to be full for a longer period of time. Means you not tend to get temptations, or you feel your stomach is already full. So that's how the oats help. So I'm gonna try it out soon. I guess I'll try it today itself. So stay tuned how it helps. Take care, keep growing, we're gonna make it. Consider this, and do like and share if you really enjoy this vlog, and subscribe to my channel. See you around. Bye bye.